credit card companies will most likely settle with you. So all you have to do is just call them and ask them if they are willing to settle out the debt. Do not say that the debt is yours, but if you want to definitely settle a debt out, then you can definitely call them. I know a company like Portfolio Recovery, they'll usually accept 50%, 60% of what you owe, and when you pay them, they'll delete the account from your credit reports if it's on your credit reports, and you already paid 40% less than what you owe to the original company. So yes, they would definitely settle with you guys. If you guys have a settlement with them, make sure you guys get that settlement in writing. Try to make sure it's over the phone. You record that phone conversation, because sometimes companies will not do what they say they're going to do. Now, if you guys want to settle, yes, settle for less. But you always want to see too. Yes, I want to settle it out, but can you delete it from my credit reports too? Some people don't ask that. Like, if I pay you, can you delete my credit reports? If you guys get them to agree to remove from your credit reports, make sure you get that in writing. So if they don't do it, you can go back and attack them because they breached the contract. So make sure you guys do these different things and try to settle. You can also mail them a letter to ask them to settle, but um you can also give them a call too. You can, if you know you want to sell out the debt, like you about to buy a house, they told you got to pay the debt anyway. Call them and just sell it out, because you know you got to pay it anyway for you to get the house or get whatever you're trying to get. So just call them and try to see if they can settle, because you want to get it done right away. Some companies will say yes, they can settle. Like I was doing something for my aunt. They said they can settle with her. I'm like, okay, good. And I think the debt, I don't know, I don't want to lie as to how much this debt was, but I know it was about 50%. It was about 50% that they settled for. And she just paid that, and they said they want to remove it from her credit reports also. So I was like, okay, good. And it wasn't that much that she had to pay. So imagine if she would have just tried to kept fighting to try to remove from her credit reports. She probably would have paid more, or just wasted a lot of time doing it that way. If it's a small debt, try to see if you can pay it and get off your credit reports. Don't have to worry about them selling it to another company, because it's going to save you so much time. You're not going to have that much of a headache. You're just going to get it done and get it